Konnichiwa, we are in a satellite town in Osaka. I'm wearing the Osaka t-shirt with pride, and we are lost. So anyway, we just got out from the supermarket. We have bought so much stuff. We went a bit crazy, a bit too crazy, and now we're gonna head back to our Airbnb room and sort out the packing and have lunch. We actually bought lunch. So yeah, looking forward to our homemade lunch. Yeah, with all this stuff, you know, groceries, food, cup noodles, chocolates, a lot of chocolates, a lot of green tea chocolates, and boxes. Really don't know how are we going to pack them all later this evening. And mind you, we have yet to visit the main attraction in Osaka, which is the palace. We will do that later this afternoon. I'm standing in front of the famous cheesecake shop. It costs 685 for one cheesecake. We might buy one just to try, but we don't have a knife, so yeah. Look at the people queuing up. Yeah, I think we'll buy one. Well, we paid 700 yen for this cake. It better be good. Yep. Hello, we just got out from a camera shop and look at what we've got. Yeah, we went a bit crazy this time. Very crazy, yeah, right. Well, we didn't get the watches event, but we got something else. Very happy. Actually, we're quite happy. So we're back on the shopping street in Osaka. Yep. This one's like the casino street. We have casino there and a casino there. They're not really casinos, they're more like slot machines. So this is why people say, oh, if you come to Osaka, you have to try the street food. So I believe this is what they mean. This is where it's at. There's a really big crab there, and a cow hanging off a bracket. Yeah. Really big dragon, and take a look at the queuing up for noodles. It's crazy. I really don't know this. I didn't expect so many people here in Osaka, in Japan. There are a lot of kids practicing the dance moves here. It's a little bit too dark, but I hope you can see them. Today is our last day here in Japan.
Sad face, sad face.
Yeah, sad faces. We are still in Osaka, and it's a bright and sunny day. We have got our bags locked up in the locker. We paid $700 for a big deposit box. If you do a bit of walking, you can get the same box, no, bigger in size, 600 yen. So
Same price.
no, 600 yen. Yeah, 600. Yeah. Ooh, so bigger and cheaper. That's if you know how to walk. Right. So that's a travel tip for you. And now we are going to the Osaka Castle.
Yes. First, of course, the locality map.
Yes. This is
people like us who don't have any maps.
Yeah. Correct. And usually people will come here the very first time. I mean, the very first step they arrive in Osaka, it's to go to this castle, but we are not. We went to the electronics shop instead. So that's the map.
This is the nearest crossing up.
So yeah, it's a pretty big place. We're at the bottom of the famous Osaka Castle Palace. It's just a castle, nothing really good, nothing else to see really. Just a lot of people taking pictures of one tall castle there. I'm now in front of the Osaka Palace slash castle. A lot of people here, and it's a really hot day. Don't know if you have to pay to get in, and if you have to pay, then definitely I'm not going up there. Okay, entry to the palace costs you 600 yen. If you're a kid, 300. If you're Asian like us, who can easily pose off as 16-year-old kids, 450 maybe. so we're not going up there. We would rather spend that money on something more useful, like
Food.
yeah. So we're gonna have some good lunch before we fly off to Singapore. Fly back to Singapore. To
Bangkok.
To Bangkok first, and then Singapore. This is our last lunch in Osaka, or even in Japan. Some pork, ginger, stir-fried pork, cabbage, an egg, miso soup.
No free flow rice.
No free flow rice, yes. And then we have to rush off to the airport. Hopefully we'll be there in time, which I think we will be. We should be. Yeah. So I'm gonna start eating now. Airport, international departures level 4. We just cleared immigrations, no problem whatsoever. Darrow's just inside the shop, gonna do some last minute window shopping, while I'm just gonna stand here and look after the bags. Oh yeah, and this airport doesn't have a mailbox. So one tip is to do all your tax refunds before flying out. I mean at the shops in the city center, downtown. They don't have such service in the airports, so yeah, that's about it. Right, we are going going back home to Singapore, but gonna stop by Bangkok for some shopping. Yeah! For 20 minutes shopping. That's it. Any last words for Tokyo, Japan in general?
Weird train schedules and information, but I would say very good country to be in, for sure.
I just like to say many people have this conception that Japan is very expensive. Actually, Japan is not that expensive if you know where to go and what to do and what to buy. Like us, you know, we are professionals. So, right. So that's it. Bye. And Sawadika, I'm in Bangkok, Don Muang again, because our flight from Japan to Singapore stops in Bangkok for a 20-minute transit to pick up passengers from Bangkok heading and take them to Singapore. So yep, same old story. Gonna walk through passport check and then reboard the same plane and then retake our same seats. Hopefully there won't be anybody. Hopefully it's quite quiet flight as the flight lands in Singapore about half 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning. Based on that, I don't think many people will take such an early morning flight. So we'll see how it goes, and that's about it.